Let's find out which fashion designer toothbrush will clean my stained teeth better.
Off-White
versus Hermes. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. Up first is Virgil Abloh's Off-White toothbrush. It comes with an instruction card. This toothbrush has a unique handle design made in Italy and some gorgeous bristles. Supreme toothpaste. Fat glob. Let's get brushing with the Off-White toothbrush. Virgil was an absolute legend, and so is his toothbrush. Let's check the after results. My teeth are still Off-White, so let's find out if this Louis Vuitton toothbrush will clean my stained teeth. Unfortunately, a Louis Vuitton toothbrush doesn't exist, so let's turn this $1,000 Louis Vuitton purse into a toothbrush. So let's get building. Some scissors and this precision knife set. Now that we got the handle, let's chop the purse up some more. This is exactly what we needed. Before I show you the final product, it's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. Here's the final product. It's got a custom handle for extra grip strength and dexterity, a pink bristlehead to stand out, and the custom Louis Vuitton monogram print all the way around. This toothbrush is a perfect junction between oral health meets oral wealth. It's like a designer handbag. King Louis XV's toothpaste from 1755. Smells like Applejack. Fat glob. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let's get brushing with a Louis Vuitton toothbrush. This toothbrush handles nicely and is designed for fat globs and fashion snobs. And this is the most electric Louis Vuitton purse yet. Let's check the after results. Up next is a $300 limited edition Hermes toothbrush. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. This toothbrush was built for kings and queens, so let's see what it comes with. It's got the signature Hermes logo and the iconic orange colorway. Hey, it's got a little horsey. Look how beautiful this presentation is. It comes with a glass plate. Oh, why'd I do that? A mouthwash glass. This gorgeous leather traveling case. 3 spare bristle heads. The toothbrush sounds like a video game. But most importantly, the toothbrush handle with some rose gold accents. Sea salt toothpaste from France. Comes in a fancy tube. Fat glob. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like a medicine cabinet. Let's get brushing with a Hermes toothbrush. This toothpaste tastes like a salty Christmas tree mixed with cologne. But these bristles feel super luxurious on my gums. And this toothbrush is designed for those who want to brush their teeth in style. Let's check the after results. Head over to my community tab and let me know which toothbrush you guys thought won the battle. We'll see you fat globbers in the next one, and as always, smile on. Ciao.